In front of me is NOKIA 1.4, and let me show you how to add a profile picture to contact. So first of all, just open your phone gallery, then go to contacts. If you are not in this panel, just make sure that you are in contacts and find the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then select edit contact, click on profile picture, and here you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. So let me choose a picture from gallery, and you can choose a screenshot or something that you've got in your camera album. We've got this beautiful picture only, so let me pick this one. Now you can crop it, then tap on done, and now just finish the whole operation by tapping on save. And as you can see, the picture is applied. Let me just refresh it. Wakey. So here it is. And this would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.